Hey guys, welcome to another video. In the last video, we saw why you should learn Kotlin and why you should switch to Kotlin if you are developing Android application in Java. So in this video, we'll learn how to install an IDE to program in Kotlin language. So we are gonna install Intellij IDE for that. You just have to go to Google and type Intelij IDE, and you have to click on this download link here, and you have to download this community one, which is free one, and this ultimate one is the paid version of the same software. So anyway, you just have to hit the download and download the exe executable file. I've already downloaded, so I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm gonna open the setup straight away. So okay, setup is being opened. Yes, click next. Just have to give it the destination folder where you have to install this software. Next, and I'm gonna create a shortcut for 64-bit launcher on the desktop, otherwise you don't have to uh, check any of the other options here. So next and install. We'll install it and it will create a 64-bit launching shortcut on the desktop. So I'll see you guys at the end of this installation. Until then, let's wait. Okay, the installation is finished and I'm gonna finish it, and let's launch the application from here, and we'll see how to create a new project. It's asking me if I have already installed a previous version of Intellij IDE, and if I want to keep the configuration settings as it is, but I do not want to, so I'm gonna click on do not import. And as I was saying, we'll see that how to create a new project in Kotlin project especially, and we'll see how to run project and how to uh, you know a basic hello world program, how to write a hello world program. So hit on the new project to create a new project, and select Kotlin here, and name your application whatever you want, and yes, choose what path you want to save your project in. I'm not gonna change that for now, and I'm gonna name it first Kotlin project. And here choose the JDK. If you have installed or worked on Android Studio already, you would have this Java version, whatever version. And if you don't have any, then you can download JDK from here, clicking on here. So I'm gonna select it and next and finish. So now this IDE will build the project for us, and do not do anything until your project is built. Uh, if if you interrupt in between, your project might misbehave. You can encounter some kind of error. So let the project build itself, and once it's finished, once the build is finished, I'll see you after that. Okay, so build is finished. You can check from clicking here on build, and you can see build successful. So now let me introduce you with the file structure here. If this is not opened already, you can click on the project on the website here, and this window will open. And this is the main folder for our project, for Kotlin project, and inside which we can see different kind of projects and files. But we don't have to worry about any other folders besides this src, which stands for source folder. And inside that we have two subfolders. One is main and one is test. Test is as it is saying, this folder is for coding, test coding. uh, if you want to code the testing of your course, you can write that programs in this folder. And this main folder will have all the necessary files for our uh, project, inside which we are mainly going to focus on this Kotlin folder for now. Let's create a file. Right click on this Kotlin folder, and inside new, create Kotlin filer class. And I'm going to select a file for now, and I'm going to name it first file. Okay, it will create a Kotlin file, first file.kt. kt is an extension for Kotlin file. And now I'm gonna create a function. Every project will uh, look for the main function to run itself. When in short, main function is necessary to run the project, right? So I'm going to create a main function. If you do not understand, we will cover functions and everything later in this playlist. I'm just going to show you how to write the hello world program, the first program, um, and how to run the project inside this IDE. So let me create a project, sorry, function method with this main method, and inside which we'll just print our, I'm sorry, this C0 should not be here, and we write print. You can also write print ln, print line as well. I'm just gonna go with print, inside which we'll write hello world. Let's write something different. Let's say great developers, and that's that's it. You don't have to do anything else. You can see this green arrow right here in front of the main function, so just go and click on that to run the project. And you can also use Control Shift plus F10, and if you are using Mac, you should see Command Shift and F10. So click on that and our project will start running itself, and you will see the output right here saying printing Gray Developers. So wait for the configuration, and yes, as you can see, it's printing here. So that's how you run the project in this IDE. So in the next video we'll see other parts of this playlist as well. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video.